that the question? Select the pair which does not match. Select the pair which does not match. Yes, look into it. What are coacervates? ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ coacervates ಅನ್ನ colloidal aggregates ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. What is given here? Aggregates of organic compounds separated by an organic membrane. No. So that's not a correct match. Then others are. Figure is given there. The given figure shows an example of, that is tendrils of cucurbita and thorns of bougainvillea, right? And this is an example for homologous organs. Divergent evolution, correct. Homologous organ is an example for which evolution? Divergent of evolution. So it is both A and C, right? The next question. Which of the following evidences does not favor Lamarckian concept of inheritance of acquired character? Lamarckism is the examples I have given you. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಜೊತೆ? Melanization in peppered moth, and this is an example for which one, students? Natural selection. This is an example for natural selection, and natural selection comes under Darwinism. Mutation theory anna yaar propose madiddu? There's one more theory called mutation theory. Who proposed this theory? This theory was proposed by Hugo de Vries. ಈ ಥಿಯರಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಹ್ಯೂಗೋ ಡಿ ವ್ರೀಸ್. Yes, your break is at 1:30, not 1:15. Don't be restless. Okay, 1:30 to 2. Right? And then 2 to 3:30. It started at 12 actually. Right? Okay, Hugo de Vries. I saw a few of you all looking at the clock. So that's why I said, I know you all are hungry, but you can bear for another, 10 minutes. Yes. So, ಈ mutation theory ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Hugo de Vries ಅವರು, and he worked on one particular species of plant. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? He worked on which plant? What is his experimental plant? Onothera lamarckiana. Scientific name is Onothera lamarckiana, okay, and commonly known as evening primrose. Evening primrose, yes. Now this theory, mutation theory, says that mutation is the main reason for evolution. Mutation indagi evolution agudu anta heltade ee theory, right? And this theory also says that nature accepts all the kinds of mutation. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ mutations ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ mutations ಅನ್ನ ನೇಚರ್ accept ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. Do you agree with this? ಎಲ್ಲ mutations ಅನ್ನ ನೇಚರ್ accept ಮಾಡ್ತದಾ? No. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Does nature accept this mutation? Does the cancer patient survive? No. So ಈ ಮ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೇಚರ್ accept ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, right? Yes. So the answer, which question, Aveen? 16th one. Replacement of the lighter colored variety of peppered moth to its darker variety in England. It's an example for which one? Natural selection. Yes, nature selects the fittest. The diversity. Okay. Darwinism explains all the following concept except ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಡಾರ್ವಿನಿಸಮ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಓವರ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಿಟ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಡಾರ್ವಿನಿಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಬಿ. Right. Variations may or may not be inherited from parents to offspring through genes. Yes. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Australopithecus. Do you all remember human evolution? Different stages of human evolution. Which is the first stage of human evolution? Ramapithecus alla, first one. Yes. First is Propliopithecus. Right? ಆನಂತರ ಬರುವುದು ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ಯಾರಾಪಿಥೆಕಸ್. ಇದರ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು? ಈಜಿಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. We fight, no? We fight, this is our state, this is our country. But evolution, human evolution started at Delhi. It started in Egypt, in Africa. Then what our country and what our state? Is it not? We have evolved somewhere else and we fight for our state and for our country. So those are all our ancestors, is it not? The next one, Parapithecus was also obtained from Africa. Africaದಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ಇದರ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು. And this fossil is known as Kenyapithecus. Yes, Kenyapithecus. ಆನಂತರ ಬರುವುದು Australopithecus. Then I think you all know Australopithecus. Australopithecus ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬರುವುದು ಹೋಮೋ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದನ್ನ? ಇದರ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಹೋಮೋ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಲಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೋಮೋ ಎರೆಕ್ಟಸ್. ಹೋಮೋ ಎರೆಕ್ಟಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್. It is the ancestor of humans. Homo erectus. Homo erectus ಆದ ನಂತರ no, pecking man, Java man ಮತ್ತೆ pecking man, right? ಆ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು ನಿಯಂಡರ್ತಲ್. ನಿಯಂಡರ್ತಲ್ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು ಕ್ರೋ-ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನನ್. ಕ್ರೋ-ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನನ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು ಹೋಮೋ ಸೇಪಿಯನ್. Right? What's the cranial capacity of Homo sapien? 1400 cc. Cro-Magnon is ಎಷ್ಟು? 1600 cc. So ಅವರ cranial capacity ನಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಸಹ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. Right? Okay. So what's the right answer? Which one of the following statement is correct? C. Yes. Homo erectus is the ancestor of man. Yes. Which of the following is correct order of the evolutionary history of man? Correct agi heli. Pecking man in between. Homo sapien last ge baruvantadu. Heidelberg man, there's one more, Heidelberg man. Neanderthal. Neanderthal ಆದ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? Cro-Magnon. Yes, option C. Right. Yes. Next one. What kind of evidence suggested that man is more closely related with chimpanzee than with other hominoid apes? Evidence from DNA extracted from sex chromosome and autosomes. Yes, option D. So you are given the names of the scientists, you have to match it with the different fossils. Edward Levis is Ramapithecus. LSB leakey is Homo habilis. Mid Pleistocene, yes, it is Sinanthropus pekinensis. So it is option A, option 1. The next question, given below are 4 statements, each with 1 or 2 blanks. Select the option which correctly fills up the blanks in 2 statements. Okay. Can you try solving this? Wing of butterfly and bird look alike and the results of. ಯಾವ ತರದ evolution ಇದು? Convergent evolution. Correct? Yes. Next one. Miller showed that ammonia, hydrogen, methane and which one? Water vapor. Right? When exposed to electric discharge in a flask resulted in formation of amino acid. Hudiki. Vermiform appendix is a vestigial organ and an dash evidence of evolution, morphology and anatomy. According to Darwin's evolution took place due to variation and dash of the fittest, survival of the fittest. So ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So what's the answer? C ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, B ಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ವೇಪರ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, C ಗೆ ಹೋಮೋಲಾಗಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. C ಗೆ ಹೋಮೋಲಾಗಸ್ ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ವರ್ಮಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೋಮೋಲಾಗಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆಸ್ಟಿಜಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್. ಅದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. Which is the next question? The primate which existed 15 million years ago is Australopithecus. Single step large mutation leading to speciation. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು? Single step large mutation ಅನ್ನ saltation, right? Who proposed that the first form of life could have come from pre-existing non-living organic molecules? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಲೈಫ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ? ಒಪ್ಯಾರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಲ್ಡೇನ್ ಅವರು, ರೈಟ್. Which is the correct order of increasing geological time scale for a hypothetical vertebrate evolution? Precambrian, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Yes. Which one among the following is an example for homology, students? Homology ke yavudu example? D. Yes. Thorns of bougainvillea and tendrils of cucurbita. Right. An experiment to prove that organic compounds were the basis of life was performed by, yes, Miller. Melvin, Ali Melvin, he, photosynthesis ಇದು ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಓದಿದ್ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ? C3 ಪಾತ್ವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದವರು. ಫಾಕ್ಸ್, ಸಿಡ್ನಿ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅವರು, ಇವರು ಕೋಎಸಿರ್ವೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು. ಓಕೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್? ಯಾವುದು ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? O2, oxygen was not present. Yes. So rest of the questions y'all can try solving at home for homework, right? Yes. So if you Okay, students. Human health. Huh? Human health and disease, not reproductive health. Listen, enough. Come back. So what have we studied under human health and disease? We have studied the different types of diseases: bacterial disease, viral disease, fungal disease, protozoan disease. Do you all remember all this? Yes? All the different types of diseases. Now what is health? Is just absence of disease, absence of symptoms. Is this health? Can you consider yourself healthy only if you don't have a disease? No. So when are we considered healthy? Absence of symptoms. Girls at the back. Yes. Absence of symptoms, yes, of course, is considered as one of the factor. Other than that, your mental health, this is very, very important. You should be physically, mentally stable, right? Then only an individual is considered to be healthy. If you are physically fit and if you are mentally not stable, if you are not social, if you are very aggressive, if you get irritated, of small things, are you considered to be healthy? No. So mental fitness is also very from one individual to another individual. Now these bacterial disease, viral disease, the present pandemic, so all these are fungal disease, these are communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are those diseases which does not spread, right? So which is a non-communicable disease? Cancer. Yadu? AIDS. How is AIDS caused? It's caused by a virus, HIV. Does it not spread from one individual to another? Spread agudilva? Agtadalva? So that is communicable. Non-communicable diseases only you have the, yes, cancer. Adallade. Only cancer? Some vitamin deficiency disorders. Beriberi, right? Vitamin deficiencies, protein deficiency in the Barwanta diseases, kwashiorkor, marasmus, all these are non-communicable diseases. And the third one is congenital disease, the disease that is present by birth, the disease that is caused due to chromosomal aberration or it is caused due to mutation. Which are they? Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, yes, Turner syndrome, all these are congenital diseases, yes, right? So, initially you all have started Salmonella, right? Salmonella typhi causes, yes, typhoid, right? And also known as enteric fever. And how is it diagnosed? Which is the test that is?
Vidal test.
Yes, Vidal test or Vidal test. So this is the test that is done to diagnose what? Typhoid. Yes. So this is one of the What, you all have got extra energy after lunch? Use that energy for in the right direction. Yes, pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae, Diplococcus pneumoniae, Haemophilus. Yes, okay, influenzae. So this is one more bacterial disease. Adallade, there are a few. One is leprosy. Heard about leprosy? No? Heard? Caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy. Right? Then diphtheria. So diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Corynebacterium back. Clostridium tetani. Causes tetanus. Cholera. What causes cholera? Yes? Vibrio cholerae. Vibrio cholerae. So these are some of the bacterial diseases, right? Yes. Written? Viral disease. So which are the viral diseases that you all have studied in your syllabus? Yes, viral disease ali. One more I forgot to mention here, students. Under bacterial disease, tuberculosis, which infects the lungs. Tuberculosis. ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? Yes. So one bacterium, mycobacterium causes this, right? Viral disease. Common cold, right? What causes common cold? Right, rhinovirus. Then only one viral disease? Hepatitis. What causes hepatitis? Hepatitis is caused by hepatitis virus. Hepatitis virus, adralli A, B, you know, different types of viruses we have. AIDS, right, caused by yes, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, right. HIV. Polio. Polio is caused by polio virus. Right? So these are all viral diseases. Then you all have studied about protozoan disease. So which is the protozoan disease that you have studied? Huh? Malaria, right. What causes malaria? So you have 4 species there, is it not? Plasmodium, vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae and Plasmodium ovale anta 4 species. And which is the most dangerous type? Yes, it is the malaria that is caused by Plasmodium falciparum, right? Yes. Malaria, ಈ protozoan ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, which is, the protozoan is Plasmodium, which is the vector? Female Anopheles mosquito. Yes. Now when this infected female Anopheles mosquito, when it bites us, what stage enters into our body? Sporozoid stage. Sporozoid stage enters into our body. It travels in our blood, reaches the liver, right? And here it undergoes asexual reproduction. It undergoes asexual reproduction and it produces what? It produces merozoites. ಏನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಇದು? Yes, merozoites ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Right? Now these merozoites, some of the merozoites, they enter into different stages of development. ಎಲ್ಲ merozoites ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು merozoites, they enter into different stages of development. Right? One stage is the ring stage. Malaria-ದಲ್ಲಿ the parasite idu, one of the stage is the ring stage. Then you have the trophozoite stage. So merozoites, some of the merozoites, they undergo development, right? And they enter into the ring stage and they enter into the trophozoite stage. And after this, again they undergo asexual reproduction. And they produce schizons, right? ಈ schizons ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? It ruptures the RBC and it gets released, right? ಇದು RBC ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಆನಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಇದು? It ruptures the RBC and it is released. So ಈ rupturing of RBC and release of these parasites is known as erythrocytic schizogony ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. Erythrocytic schizogony. Right? So ಈ parasites ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Release ಆಗ್ತದೆ. They attack fresh RBCs, multiply there, again rupture it. And whenever there is rupturing of RBC, the patient experiences chill and fever. So regular intervals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಲೇರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ chill ಮತ್ತೆ fever ಇರ್ತದೆ. So this is seen when during erythrocytic schizogony. So this rupturing of RBC and release of the parasite